look, we've got to a certain point here where I need an extra hand, and they're not going to be here for a little bit. So let's work on something, that's not pertinent to making it run. I love getting sidetracked. So this grill in this truck has been less than awesome. Let's just say it's pretty banged up. And I was like, well, we've got it out, so let's make it not look, like crap. So I did what anybody else would do, and I saw that it had nuts on it, and I started just taking stuff off and didn't account for the fact this is old plastic and just broke everything. And then somehow I broke this, and I can't find the piece. So I'd say everything's going pretty damn good. No worries though, because I got a hot glue gun and a couple ideas. So hang tight. I'm gonna get this GMC emblem out of here, and then we're gonna do a little DIY crappy freaking GMC grill restoration 102. It's a little better than 101. Is it off?
Yeah.
Dick. So I was explaining to the folks that we're gonna be doing some Grill 101 in here, and you start off by breaking it real bad, and then later on you figure out how to glue it all together. So I'm taking the emblem out right now, and surprisingly I didn't break any of these, Jake. I broke these that hold the turn signal in to make the truck legal to drive, but the grill emblem I did not break.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Look, it comes out in little individual pieces. Woo, look at that. Look at that, now we got a naked grill with a broken piece. What do you think the chances are we can find this?
Slim to none.
Okay. Oh, you know what? I think. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do something a little different here. I'm gonna cut these out. Yep. I'm gonna cut them out. In something like this, you want to make sure that you use something, a tool, whatever tool you use, that it's got plenty of space to be in there. So we'll just go with a 4-inch grinder. I think it'll look good like that with the lights like that.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of neat. A little different. Yeah. Maybe somebody's already done it. I don't know. I think they actually didn't cover them in certain areas. Not 100%, but a square body specialist. If you're looking for a square body specialist, go check out Square Body Stuff at YouTube. That's right, my good friend Chad. He is the Square Body King. He knows the ins and outs of everything, except for when you ask a specific question, like how do you not break these tabs? That he didn't know. So.
Probably why you broke it.
Actually, I didn't give him time to answer me. I asked the question and I just started doing it without him because he took too long to reply.
Wow.
Yeah. Alright, so what we do in these situations is gonna clean this thing obviously. So the best way to clean it is with Dawn soap and Scotch-Brite pads. Use gray, but you don't want to get those deep scratches. Get a picture of that. Get a little video of how dirty this thing is. Obviously, this grill is very brittle, so you gotta be very careful. Less is more, as they say. Jakey, less is more. This isn't a long time deal because I'm gonna replace the grill with the same one I had in my 81. But in light of all the money we spent on the mechanical portion of the truck, cosmetics are gonna wait a while. So, if this is a paint job on a car, you would not do that. You would have to get another one. Just so you know. If you're watching at home, that's a big no-no. How dirty this thing is. That we blow all this dry, backside first, then front side. So if you have an air compressor, just grab you a little blower, do whatever you gotta do. Get all the water out, because you don't want water seeping out when you paint your grill. I'm gonna improvise because I don't have my shop wire for my compressor yet. So, I'm gonna try with a Black & Decker. Ready, son?
Yep.
We'd have been here for days waiting for that to dry. And actually, looking at it, look, see the shiny? This whole thing was the shiny gray. And that's from the black paint on that. What you want to do when you're doing this is get you some good masking tape, not this crap from O'Reilly's. As you can see, we've got two different colors here, so we're going to spray the silver first and then mask the silver, then we'll spray the dark. Overspray is not a major concern on this area, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time covering up, because we're going to spray it again with a darker color. So, it's a perfect day for painting. Conditions are fantastic. Ton of moisture in the air, about 78 degrees. Humidity is about 138%. We're going to roll with it.
We're going to fact check you. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah. What? Don't fact check me, just watch me work. We got these two taped up. I'm gonna let this dude do the taping on this one. Yep. And he's afraid he's gonna mess up. And I told him that the only way that you learn is from messing up. Right, son? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. You've already messed up. Can I show you something?
Sure.
All right. Like I said, you can pull one. Just pull it longer. It's all right. You gotta teach your hands, how your fingers to do certain things. Remember, tuck it in the crevices before you wrap it around. Always tuck it in your crevice. Use your fingernail to go in the crevice first before you wrap around the corner. Wrap around the corner, then you stretch the tape too tight and you won't be able to get down the crevice like you would. Seems like you're stressing. You stressing out?
No.
Crevice. You don't have to wrap it super tight. Let the tape do its job. Anywhere you see ripples like this, then that means there's airspace where paint can blow through. Remember, get your crevices before you wrap around the edges. Every crevice. There you go. Good. Crevices, crevice, 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 like crevice, crevices, crevice, crevice, crevices, crevice. Hey, look at that. Now you just gotta cut it out. There's a razor blade. Fine, I'll just do it. You just didn't want to cut your finger, did you?
Yeah. Basically.
Okay, it doesn't appear that those have been scuffed, but I assure you that they have. Kinda. Ooh. Let those chill.
One.
Alright, well, to mask these bad boys. Start with the one that you masked up. And we'll see how good it is compared to the ones that I masked up.
Probably gonna be way better. No pressure, but don't mess it up.
Woo.
Oh.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a couple little spots, but it's not horrible. Yeah. It's way better than just chrome and faded paint.
True.
You know?
Uh-huh. And the review?
Look at that.
Oh, much better.
Looks good with even the grills out from around the headlight there. Turn signals too.
Yeah. That looks way better. Huh? Yeah.
See, it's just it's the little things. So now, hopefully, whenever it's cleaned up again, the attention goes to the grill, not the bent bumper. Don't show them the bent bumper!
Oh, no, I didn't do that.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.
This concludes grill and headlight bucket restoration. This has been a fun little video. I figured I'd throw this together and throw it out there because I'm cooking up the entire video of getting this thing together and running. So that's it for now. It looks better than it did. It's not perfect by any means, and if you get up close, you know, it's going to show its stuff. But hey, it looks way, way, way better than it did. I mean, way better. And that's hard to tell in video, but yeah, man, I've been wanting those bumperettes off there for a while. So now I just need to find a bumper that's not bent. Great. Grill's not perfect. Headlight buckets aren't perfect, but this thing's a driver. I'm going to drive the hell out of it. So, you know, I might buy a new grill and headlight buckets for it eventually. But for now, it works and looks 1,000 times better than it did. If you like restoration things like this, put it in the comments below. This is something I used to do for a living. Used to do a lot of paint and body work and trim work and stuff like that. I enjoy it. I prefer to have the right equipment to do it, but I'm working on that. I mean, mechanics is fun. It's good to take something apart and get it running again. But I like aesthetics. I like to sit back and look at it and go, man, that looks a lot different than a couple hours ago. So Anywho, let's get this bitch running. It's been too long, and I keep just taking my time doing stuff. But I tell you, I promise you, it's turning out pretty nice. Be sure to hit the like button, share with a friend, and always be scribing. You're probably wondering where my friend went. He left on a hot date again. So he left me with all the trucks that don't run, just to do everything. So we'll see you next time.
You what to do, man, they don't know shit.